Hi, this is John with WTI, and I get it. You've been working hard with your facial skincare routine, and I've been doing the same too. So that's why I tried this daily cleanser by Cetaphil. I love it because the texture in my skin goes out really well. I have a mixed skin, they call that, right? So it's like oily in the top but dry in the bottom. So this one has hydrating feelings that after you're done with the cleaning session, you feel like your face is hydrated, it's soft. It's helping you to do a gentle clean, so it's not gonna take all the oil from your skin. So something that I like from here is that all the different varieties of benefits that it gets into your skin, like all the vitamins and all how gentle it works for all of you. And it feels really nice and it gives you a non-greasy feeling after all while you're using it. It's easy to do it, it's convenient because you just drop a couple of drops in your hands, rub it in, put it in your face, and you have a gentle skincare routine in seconds. So if you're trying to take care of your skin as much as I've been doing right now, this is a great option. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.